In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an Oreo Kit-Kat milkshake.
You can need Kit Kats, Oreos, milk, Hershey syrup, and ice cream. And some crushed Oreos. First, pour some milk into a glass. Then, pour the milk into the blender. Take a few scoops of ice cream and keep it in the blender. Put a few Oreos in the blender. Put a Kit Kat in the blender. Pour some Hershey syrup in the blender. And blend it. Take a glass and plate it by pouring some Hershey syrup. Pour half the glass with your new milkshake. Then, put some crushed Oreos into the glass. Pour the rest of the milkshake into the glass. Try to distribute it evenly so there's still some crushed Oreo that is seen. Next, put the rest of the crushed Oreos into the glass. Finally, for effect, keep one Kit Kat stick and an Oreo into the milkshake. It should look like this. And that was how to make an Oreo Kit-Kat milkshake. I hope you enjoyed!